İkinci finalist. İki göz.
Hello guys, so I'm here at the concert hall. As you can see, we have plenty of people, so we are watching this beautiful concert. I hope you can hear me. Let's have a look. Me. Hello everyone, so the concert has finished now. It was an amazing performance. We had a talent show of our school and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, that was a wonderful thing to watch, and I think that in the near future I'll be attending another one. I really enjoyed it. That was cool. Okay, see you soon.